Welcome to Online Digital Bookstore. Our latest video is the quickest guide to renting an apartment. Subscribe and like for more educational videos. Let us begin. Renting an apartment can be both an exciting and daunting experience. Whether you are a first-time renter or a seasoned pro, navigating the rental market requires careful consideration and understanding of the process. So what are the benefits of renting? While there are some renters who view renting an apartment or a house as a failure, there are others who see the benefits there are to be gained from renting a property as opposed to purchasing a property. Some of the benefits of renting include the ability to save money while renting for the purpose of purchasing a home, few maintenance requirements, and the inclusion of amenities which the renter would not likely be able to afford if they were to purchase a home instead of renting. Although there are some negative aspects to renting an apartment, this video guide will focus exclusively on the benefits of renting a property. Renting gives you the ability to save money. Being able to save up a great deal of money for the purpose of making a down payment on a dream home is just one of the many great advantages to renting a property. Many homeowners were able to realize their dream of homeownership only after living in a rental property for a certain amount of time. Although renting is often criticized as throwing money away because it does not result in equity, the ability to save money while renting is unparalleled. Rent for an apartment is usually considerably less expensive than the monthly mortgage on a home. The home is also typically much bigger than the rental property, but in cases where the renter is renting for the sole purpose of saving money, the value of renting cannot be denied. Depending on how long the renter stays in the apartment, they may save hundreds or even thousands of dollars during the course of the rental agreement. Renting has no maintenance properties. Another advantage to renting a property is there is typically little or no maintenance required by the renter. This is especially true in an apartment situation. The renter may be responsible for small items such as changing light bulbs, but more extensive repairs such as leaks in plumbing or clogs in drains are typically handled by the maintenance staff of the rental property. Additionally, common areas such as grassy areas or gardens are maintained by the maintenance staff. The exception is usually when the renter rents a home as opposed to the apartment. In these cases, the renter may still not be responsible for small repairs, but might be obligated to take care of items such as maintaining the grass. Renting has worthwhile amenities. Another advantage to apartment living is often the amenities offered to residents. Such amenities might include usage of the pool, an exercise room, meeting spaces, and a theater room. In most cases, these amenities are offered free of charge to resident and their guests. Many renters who might be able to purchase a home would not likely be able to purchase a home with amenities such as a pool, fully equipped exercise room, and a home theater. These items are often considered luxurious and are not available in the majority of homes which are on the market at any particular time. In fact, searching for homes which specifically have these features may severely limit the number of search results and may result in no search results at all when these features are searched in conjunction with the typical price range. However, those who rent can enjoy access to these amenities. They may pay more in rent than those in a comparable apartment complex without these amenities, but they are also still likely saving a considerable amount of money each month, as long as they are budgeting wisely and have chosen a rental property within their price range. In conclusion, renting an apartment is a common housing solution for individuals and families alike, offering flexibility and convenience. In essence, whether it's for the short-term or as a long-term housing, renting an apartment can be a practical and versatile option for anyone.